Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So today in this video we are going to learn successor, predecessor, place value and face value. Okay students? Before, after and between. Students, we have already revised the concept of before number, after number and between number. Right? So let's do a quick revision. After numbers. Yes, after number. Students, after number means the next number, right? Or when we count forward counting, we get after numbers, right? So let's do some examples. Okay, here we have question, what comes after? Now tell me, what comes after 290? Tell me. Yes, 291. So right, 291. 1 under 1's place, 9 under 10's place and 2 under 100's place. Okay students? Next, now tell me, what comes after 136? Yes, 137. So right, 137. Very good. Next, tell me, what comes after 408? Yes, 409. Alright, 409. Very good. Next, what comes after 674? Yes, 675. Alright, 675. So students, this is your after number. Before number. Students, when we count backward counting, we get before number, right? So here let's do some examples. What comes before? Okay, here you have to write the number that comes before. Okay, now tell me, what comes before 322? Tell me. Yes, 321. So right, 321. 1 under 1's place, 2 under 10's place and 3 under 100's place. Okay. Next, now tell me, what comes before 684? Yes, 683. Right? 683. Okay. Next, now tell me, what comes before 130? Yes, 129. So write 129. Next, now tell me, what comes before 276? Yes, 275. Got it, students? Between number. Students, between number is the number which lie in the middle of two numbers. Okay, let's do some examples. Here, what comes in between? Here you have to write the number that comes in between. Okay, let's do the first one. Now tell me, what comes in between 486 and 488? What comes after 486? Yes, 487. So right, 487. 487 comes in between 486 and 488. Right? Next, what comes in between 702 and 704? What comes after 702? Yes, 703. So write 703. Good. Next, what comes in between 340 and 342? Yes, 341. So write 341. 341 comes in between 340 and 342. Right? Next, what comes in between 845 and 847? What comes after 845? 846. Yes, right? 846. 846 comes in between 845 and 847. So this is your between number. Successor. What is successor? Students, successor is the number that comes just after a number. Okay? We can get successor by adding 1 to the number. Yes. Now, let's do some examples. Now, let's take a number 92. Students, if we add 1 to any number, we can get its successor. Okay. Now, let's add 1 to 92. Now, what will be the answer? 92 plus 1? Yes, 93. So, here 93 is the successor of 92. So, 93 is the successor of 92. Now, another number we have 364. Let's add 1 to this number plus 1. What will be the answer? Yes, 365. So, 365 is the successor of 364. Okay, students? That means 365 is the successor of 364. Okay? Do you understand? Yes. Predecessor. What is predecessor? Students, predecessor is the number that comes just before a number. It's called its predecessor. Right? We can get predecessor by subtracted 1 from the number. So let's do some examples. Yes, here number we have 92. Students, if 1 is subtracted from 92 minus 1, what is the answer? Yes, 91. Right? So 91 is its predecessor. Yes? That means 91 is the predecessor of 92. Now here we have another number 364. Now let's subtract with minus 1. What is the answer? Yes, 363. So 363 is the predecessor of 364. Right, students? Yes. So 363 is the predecessor of 364. Got it? So students, here you can see predecessor is before number of any given number and successor is after number of that particular number. Right? Here you can see before 73 we have 72 and after 73 we have 74. That means when we add 1 to 73 we get its successor, that is 74. And if 1 is subtracted from 73 we get its predecessor, that is 72. Yes, students? On page number 2626, here the question is write the predecessor and successor of the following numbers. Okay, first number is 811. Here you have to write the predecessor and successor both. Okay, so let's do answer, right? Predecessor. Predecessor of 811, right? So what will you do? Is equal to 811 minus 1. What is the answer? 810. Good. Now let's write the successor. Successor of 811. So what will you do? 811 plus 1 is equal to 812. So 810 is the predecessor of 811 and 812 is the successor of 811. So like this you will do this word in your maths notebook. Okay students? Next topic is place value. Students, what do you mean by place value? Yes, place value is the position of a digit in a number, gives its value. Okay, now let's do some examples. Okay, now students, look here. Here we have number 264. Here you have to write the place value of the given number. Alright, now tell me the place value of 4. Here you can see 4 is under ones place. It is in ones place. So we will write 4 1 or 4. Okay. Next, the place value of 6. Tell me the place value of 6. 6 is under tens place. Right. So write 6 tens is equal to 60. 60. 6 tens is equal to 60. Alright. Next, the place value of 2. 2 is under hundreds place. Right. So write 2 hundreds or is equal to 200. Okay students. So this is your place value of 264. Now let's take another number. Here we have number 126. Here you have to write the place value of the given number. Okay students. First tell me the place value of 6. Tell me the place value of 6. It is in under ones place. Right. So write 6 ones is equal to 6. Okay. Next, the place value of 2. 2 is under tens place. So write 2 tens or 20. Right. Next, the place value of 1. 1 is under hundreds place. Right. So write 100 or is equal to 100. 100, 100. Okay students. Next, face value. Students, what do you mean by face value? Yes, the face value of a digit in a given number is the value of the digit itself. Okay. Now let's do some examples. Now let's take a number 724. Now students, tell me the face value of 4 in 724. What will be the face value of 4? Yes, the digit itself. That means 4. So write 4. The face value of 2 in 724 will be the digit itself. That means 2. The face value of 2 is 2. Okay. The face value of 7 in 724, the digit itself, that is 7. So write 7. The face value of 7 in 724 is 7. So students, this is your face value. Now, representing numbers on abacus. as we have already done in our previous chapter. Right, students? Yes. So let's do a quick revision. Okay. Here we have number 142. Here you have to represent this number on abacus. Okay. What will you do? Yes, we will draw bits according to the given number. Right? So let's draw. Okay. In ones place, we have number 2. So we will draw 2 bits. 1, 2. Okay. In tens place, we have number 4. Let's draw 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And in hundreds place, we have number 1. Draw 1 bit. So like this, we represent numbers on abacus. Okay? Yes. So students, this is your 4th assignment. Okay? So first, you will write down the date. After that, write 4th assignment, h.w.homework. Then come to the next line, write chapter 2. Numbers beyond 100 and up to 1000. Okay? So, you will do question number 4 from the book. Write the predecessor and successor of the following numbers. So, you will write this, okay, the way I have written here. Okay, students? So, students, that's all for today. Till then, keep practicing. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you.